you say that ChatGPT has a probability to be correct. What does that mean?
I wouldn't say probability to be correct. I would say it's probabilistic in its nature, and every time it starts talking, each consequent word has some probability to be said. And think about it like this: I have a blank, and this blank could be filled with literally every object that I have, and the LLM would calculate the probability of the next word being computer. I have a computer. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a microphone. I have hair. I have
A
all
headache.
a headache. All of these words are inside the LLM, and each one of them has a probability to be said. Now, once I said I have a dog, then the next word is, what is it? Well, there's the probability of every word in the English language to be the next word with some probability, and usually um, it chooses the words with the higher probability. Why higher? It's not always the highest. If it was the highest, it would always say the same thing, right? You ask it the same question, it generates the same answer. This is not what we want with LLMs. We want different answers to different question, to the same question, and so there is some randomness to it. So even if I have a dog is the highest probability, it can say I have a cat or I have a headache. Yeah, headache, very very low probability to be said generally. But if I say my head hurts as a prompt,
Yeah.
well, the headache is the one with the highest probability. It's much more. The probability to say I have a headache is much higher than saying I have a dog.
Yeah.
And this is how the LLM generally works with this probabilistic approach. There's an amazing article by Stephen Wolfram that I highly recommend that you read. Just Google it, Stephen Wolfram, how does ChatGPT work, and you'll find it. That's the guy who I believe invented Wolfram Alpha, and